Dumelang landlords, this is your girl Disable D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, we are back with an update of Uthando Nesthembu. And on this video, I want us to concentrate on Usne Mseleku, right? Guys, Usne is clever, she's strategic. Now, we have learned yesterday that girl is pregnant, of which we have already seen and we've been suspecting. So I think Uguti, this pregnancy was not taken to Izingane Zesthembu, because perhaps maybe by the time they do Izingane Zesthembu, it will be well visible. So that is why maybe they took it to Uthando Nesthembu, right? With that said, Usne is clever with the fact that girl went to Umusa Mseleku and rubbished the mothers, spoke ill of the mothers, and showed Umusa ukuthi kahle when you don't have anyone, the only person that you have maybe Huye, because at this point she's the one that is saying, hey, I was so heartbroken, I was, hey, girl beka broken ngaleyo ndlela leyo ukuthi Umseleku naye uyayifeel ukuthi no Usne nje without me it's going to be difficult for her to live. But I think strategically she also said that knowing Uguti she's got her own guinyas that Umseleku is going to know about, which might drift the relationship apart. Now the reason why I'm thinking Uguti it's scripted, it's how it was, the whole thing was delivered and how Umaqele handled it. It was as if she already knew. They just wanted to do the pregnancy thingy just to show us Uguti kwenzagalani. On that note, Umayeni, not Umayeni, excuse, Umaqele, yes. Umaqele une helper, guys. Une helper. So for you people or men that are stingy, that are saying stay-home wives must not have helpers, clock Umseleku, guys. Umseleku made sure ukuthi Umaqele une helper, even though uhlala lapho noSne. So it means ukuthi uSne uyenza nje ama basics lokhu kuletha ijuice nani, since maybe the helper can't be on screen, and the helper does everything else. But the helper was the one that was helping Usne a pregnancy test and ensuring ukuthi Usne akayenzi umshikashika toilet. Now the pregnancy test came and says 3+. So I don't know which is 3 months plus or 3 weeks plus. But mina amangesibhekile lesisu saka Sne abo 4 months laphayana sivuthiwe nje, sivuthiwe strong, pregnant girl, there's no other way nje. Like siyabonakala, more especially la bekavele khona no Macele on her date with Umusa. The way bekagcoka ngakhona, you could easily think ukuthi umkhaba, more especially ma Umusa ungaboni kahle, because Umusa vele ngisho since abe ne-stroke namehlo nje anenkinga. But if uyakwazi ukubona umfazi uzobona ukuthi la bekuna something ugirl yabona. So it was very visible. So with that said, mina I think ukuthi Usne was strategic. But now Usne is on her 4th pregnancy. She's got 2 children, remember, and there was a point where kwayenzwa umsebenzi kwaya kusangoma kwayotshelwa ayonikeza umntana igama and all those processes, buy the child clothes and amnike negama, ambike, amshayele farewell, those cultural processes or traditional processes that she underwent to make sure ukuthi umntwana ulala ngoqolo or idlozi elihle, whichever way that people that are knowledgeable with tradition would put it, right? So with that said, I think mina Usne is going to have a problem no Musa. The reason why I think that is because Umusa was very happy ukuthi for once Usne alright, and no Macele was vouching for Usne ukuthi Usne akasagijima, Usne uhlala ekhaya nani. Usne makabuza ukuthi upheke kanjani, Usne ukhuluma indaba zaseThekwini. So it means ukuthi ngalesa sikhathi kushuthwa ini Izingane Zesthembu, which might also alarm you to say ukuthi Usne negligent ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi umuntu angamazi kahle ncamashi or angakatesti naye umupha nje sonoro without protection, understanding ukuthi like siyagula bafethu, umuntu nje umbhekile nje uDisebo, you cannot vouch for Disebo and say uDisebo akaguli, uDisebo akana STI of any sort. Like, you need to be told by the doctor. We live in those days where uDisebo's word alone to say she's not sick is not enough. You need to be tested, basically. So I'm asking myself, Uguti, did they get to that process or what happened? So with that said, a girl is pregnant. She's expecting umntwana. Umacele was tempted to tell Umusa Mseleku. I think you guys saw that part. But she could not tell Umusa because she made a promise, and then uSne phela wamrabisha on TV about ukupapa kwakhe atshela uMusa before she could tell uMusa. Then now my thing is, uzomtshela kanjani and how is Musa going to take it? But Mina, I think Uti Musa is going to be disappointed because everybody is thinking Uti Usne is a changed girl. Usne agasayenza ucansi, Usne sekaziphethe kahle. But it looks like ugirl sasebhizi. So now, uMacele also into emdisappointile ayibuzile kuSne ukuthi uzobamba every man ngepregnancy na. I don't think ukuthi uyababamba ngepregnancy, guys. I think ukuthi his womb, her womb rather, I think her womb is very friendly. Maga yenza uyabamba. I think her womb is very friendly. That's just me. I might be wrong, I might be mistaken. But uzigezile izandla uMacele wathi nje mase uqala ubonakala uzoqala uzoteta ngicela uhambe uye eMzumbe uzibone eMzumbe. So it means ukuthi should anything happen uyosala nompilo enhle, because umpilo will not sleep knowing ukuthi uSne she's true. So it means ukuthi the day ugirl ayoteta amapeyini amqala, uSne umpilo will have to step in because umpilo will be the one left, because umpilo right uhlala eMzumbe currently as far as we know. So I don't know, guys, is uMacele fair or is she unfair? I mean, I think she's fair. She's tired, and also with Lwandle expecting, it's going to be a problem for her to raise 2 children in an event where the other child is raised in her house. But in conclusion, can we bet ukuthi uSne, if she was a man, she would be the one giving Musa the 20 children that uMusa Mseleku wants? Because why? Ugirl kahle kahle, if besingachithekanga lesi sinye isisu, she would be on baby number 4. So it means ukuthi she's doing the most. She's basically going to do even better than the wives. But I just pray ukuthi lo guy wamanje amthathe amlobole ubabakhe ukuthi akwazi ukuba right, ahlawule or something ibe right ukuthi uMseleku naye akwazi ukukhululeka. But yeah, tell me what you think about the whole thing. Tell me your observations. This is your girl Disebo D. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.